Alright, YouTube has launched a new feature recently that is called Clip, by which we can make short clips of live streams or videos. It has been started today with a small group of creators. Those clips can be anywhere between 5 and 60 seconds in length and will have a new URL associated with them. Creators or viewers will be able to create clips by clicking on the clip icon, though the feature is currently limited to some people. Now the question is how to use this feature. Well, the answer is you have to tap on the clip icon, then crop the exact part of the video that you want to make a clip, give it a title like I am giving this informative. Also, you can give funny, entertainment and etc if you want. Then hit share clip, choose a platform, select them whom do you want to send the clip, and then click on the arrow and send. That's enough. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be conspicuous. Now if the receiver click on the link, it will redirect him in YouTube, then he can watch the clip, share the clip, or he can watch the full video. YouTube didn't clear it yet, but I think its watch time will be counted according to the time that the viewers will spend to watch it. So if it happens, that will be great, and if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be eminent. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.